At Lighthouse, we're experts at all things exteriors: roofing, siding, gutters, windows, paint. If it's on your house, we can fix it. We service the entire Front Range of Colorado, both residential exteriors and commercial exteriors. So our mission is to guide homeowners and property owners through the restoration process with exceptional products and care, erasing their fears of being taken advantage of by putting their peace of mind above profit margins. The insurance claim process can be stressful. Our goal is to take on the burden of the insurance claim process and be their advocate all along the way.
Lighthouse Roofing has done an amazing job with keeping us up to date in regards to the supplement and picking up where the adjuster dropped the ball.
For my roof, they were on time, on schedule, just exactly what they said they were going to be doing.
Every homeowner deserves to have a trustworthy contractor. We try to be as thorough as we can in the quoting process and getting insurance companies to provide a fair settlement to the homeowner. Their experience matters to me.
These guys have been polite and lovely. I've been impressed.
Homeowners should choose Lighthouse because we want to treat their home as if it were our own. We do take quite a bit of time to educate ourselves on the products that we're selling so that homeowners can feel comfortable knowing that they're getting the best products on the market. Our company is growing, and I'm excited to say we are expanding eastward. We are building relationships with property managers, not only here locally in Colorado, but across the country. We're trying to make a lifelong customer out of homeowners so that whenever they have a hailstorm, which inevitably they will, they'll pick up the phone and call Lighthouse.
I would highly recommend Lighthouse.
I would definitely recommend Lighthouse Roofing.
I really believe that Lighthouse is the best roofing and exterior company on the entire Front Range.